PBCWUD presents What is Backflow Prevention?
A backflow preventer is a plumbing appurtenance that keeps water from reversing direction and flowing back through the water meter and back into the drinking water supply.
What types of properties require a backflow preventer?
We require all non-residential accounts and then any residential account that has an 1.5 inch meter or larger. So some of these apartment buildings that are master metered have to have a backflow preventer.
Is there a government agency that requires a backflow preventer to be installed?
As a utility, we are directed through Florida DEP and through the Florida Department of Health to be in compliance with Florida State Statute 62555.360, which requires all utilities serving more than 10,000 customers to have an active cross-connection control program.
How does WUD know that a backflow preventer was installed?
It is up to the customer to ensure that the plumbing company or the fire sprinkler contractor send us the test reports on the new installation along with all of the permit information for that.
Once installed, is there anything else the customer needs to do?
Yes, every year you will have to have your backflow preventer tested by either a licensed plumber for your potable backflow or the fire sprinkler contractor for your fire sprinkler backflow preventers, and we will remind you of that.
Why is it important to install a backflow preventer?
Backflow preventers protect the potable water supply. It helps keep it drinkable. So we need to do our part to protect our water supply.
I would advise them that the backflow prevention assembly is to protect the safety of the public water drinking system. And any commercial non-residential business has to have one installed.
What does a backflow test consist of?
It consists of basically testing the device to ensure that it's operational, functioning properly, and it adheres to the design standards for the utility.
To learn more about backflow prevention, visit our website at pbcwater.com.